Hey, hi guys. Okay, so I'm here, guys. Welcome back to my channel, first of all. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I'm here to give you some facts about this bus that is creating buzz, the bus that is actually creating news. It's very, very important to know some of the facts that surround this bus. I have seen many of us, trying to look a little bit less informed about this Kayola EVS. So what I have done today, I'm here to read to you some of the facts. And what I'm reading to you is actually coming in from the website of the makers of this bus. Okay? So first and foremost, before I even read to you the makers about the makers of this bus, I wanna put out something for you. I want to read the special features that this bus, the electric buses, that they contain. Okay, so I'm gonna be playing that video there just for you to be able to see how that bus looks like inside. But I want to read to you about some of the facts about this bus and what you need to know actually, because it is very important to know the landmark stone that Uganda has achieved by manufacturing this bus. But it is also very important that we know the facts. So I want to give you guys the facts that you need to know as regards this bus here. Okay, so first and foremost, allow me to read you the special features that Kayola EVS as a bus has. Okay, so that we actually get to know what this bus entails, because things about facts. Let's not dwell on rumors and stuff like that. So the Kayola EVS is a fully electric low-flow bus specifically designed for urban mass transportation. Okay, at full charge, the Kayola EVS has range of up to 300 kilometers, making it capable of seamlessly handling the daily duty cycle. Okay, so its one charge can actually take it 300 kilometers, right? Which is actually enough distance to enable the bus to become a city carrier or to do a daily job. Okay, so with a seating capacity of up to 90 passengers. Okay, this bus carries 90 passengers. The Kayola EVS is positioned to offer great returns for the bus operator while enabling reduction in the congestion of the city roads. Okay, so the other facts that you need to know is the Kayola EVS is fitted with state-of-the-art safety and assistive technology for people with special needs, including special seats and a ramp for easy boarding and on and off boarding for people in wheelchairs, right? The other fact that you also need to know is the Kayola EVS is premised to facilitate a total sustainable mass mobility solution to urban centers in sub-Saharan Africa. Okay, that is one of the things that they aim at doing. So the other fact that you also need to know is Hero Motors Corporation is taking its orders for Kayola EVS. Of course, when you go to the website, you will be able to see that. So let's look at some of the specifications. And I'm getting all this information from credible information on the website of Kira, of the makers of the electric bus. Okay, so the bus characteristic, it is purely electric low entry city bus. Okay, and the overall dimension in millimeters is 12,190 by 2,550 by 3,200 millimeters. Okay, that is the dimension. So carrying capacity, we said it carries about 90 people. And 49 of those will be seated, 41 of those will be standing. Okay, so that is the total capacity of 90 people. Maximum motor power in kilowatts, that is 245. So torque, that is 3,300. Okay. Then range in kilometers per charge is 300 kilometers, and the battery bank charge is 560 amperes hour. Right? So there is a gallery here. If any of you guys is interested in actually watching this, more of these details, you go to the gallery on this website. I'll put the website in the description of this video, so you guys will be able to see it. So right now, let's look at the company that has actually made this bus, because it is very important. Like I said, it is very important that we get these facts right. And at the end of the day, people need to know what they need to understand about this bus. Okay, so this is the company that has actually made, and these are the details about the company that made the Kayola EVS electric bus. And it is very important to get this straight and you know what's going on, okay? So Kira Motors Corporation, KMC, is a state enterprise, okay? Is a state enterprise established to champion value addition in domestic automotive industry for job creation and diversification of the Ugandan economy as a key growth area in line with the Vision 2040. The equity partners are government of the Republic of Uganda, represented by the Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation. Okay? 96% shares belong to the government. Okay? And Makerere University, the major government university in Uganda, owns 4%. Right? Another fact that you guys all need to know is the Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation is mandated to establish the governance and management structures of the Kira Motors Corporation and provide policy guidance and oversight to the nascent automotive industry in Uganda. Right? So government of the Republic of Uganda is cognizant that the market entry strategy is assembly of vehicles and technology transfer with reputable automotive manufacturers and progressive enhancement of the domestic value added in the automotive industry through exploring sustainable multi-sectoral backward, forward, and lateral linkages with minerals, agriculture, industry, ICT, transport sectors, and local content participation. Okay? So another fact that you need to know also is government in April 2018 approved the roadmap for the Kira vehicle plant. Okay? And government allocated 100 acres of land at the Ginger Industrial and Business Park for the Kira vehicle plant and seed funds as capitalization for the construction of the Kira vehicle plant startup facilities. Purchase of startup plant machinery, equipment, tools, and startup operational capital. So these buses, actually, the company is building its headquarters in Ginger, and I think that's where the factory will be. Okay? So the birth of mission vehicles made in Uganda, it is also very important to understand this. Okay? The genesis of Kira Motors Corporation, which is the company that made the Kayola EVS bus, dates back in 2007 when a team of students and staff, Professor Sandy Stevens Tikori Togboa and Mr. Paul Isaac Musasizi at Makerere University, were invited to be part of the international consortium. Okay? So this was part of the Vehicle Design Summit, that is VDS, a Massachusetts Institute of Technology initiative with a goal of designing and producing Vision 200, a 5-passenger plug hybrid electric vehicle targeting the Indian market. Makerere University the only participant from Africa was responsible for the design and the integration of the low-power electronics and data networking systems. The team participated, okay? So the team participated, if not for the advancement of scholarship, perhaps for such simple reasons as associated international exposure and acquisition of the exciting skills in automotive industry. So many of you may ask why Makerere is part of the shareholders of the Kayola Bus Company or the Kira Motors Corporation. That is the reason, because this company was actually born from Makerere when some people visited USA to participate in a very, very good, innovative organization, or call it a summit, and this is where the idea came from. So, for those of you that have been asking all about this bus, we want to know more facts, please watch this video, and once you get the facts right, go ahead and have a very, very good conversation. So thank you so much, guys. Just one more last time, I'll play for you what this bus entails, and let me read to you some of the features that actually are found in this bus, okay? The floor that you're looking at is made out of wood and bamboo, very, very beautiful stuff. This floor also contains spaces for people with, you know, PWDs, people with disabilities can be able to board and off-board this bus. It contains, apart from the free Wi-Fi, this bus also has USB sockets, okay? It is very important to understand that. Also, it has air conditioners on top of having a TV, a flat screen TV inside. This bus is also fitted with, an automatic sanitizer. Now, you all know we're going through a global pandemic, COVID-19, and it is becoming a very important aspect, actually, when it comes to people being able to wash their hands and observe all these medical precautions from medical experts. So it is fitted with automatic sanitizers. So it is also got a rechargeable battery, like I said. This battery can actually enable this bus to move for 900,000, okay, kilometers, versus a normal diesel engine vehicle, which actually goes for 200,000 kilometers, okay? Some of the facts that, you know, you guys need to be knowing are some of the things that I've already read out, and it will become very, very important that you actually get to understand what this project is all about, and after you really understand that, then you will appreciate as Ugandans that we need to be appreciating more of what this project is doing, okay? No, it's already in Uganda, Moses. The buses are already in Uganda. The bus that you see on the screen was actually around City Square. This one that is playing on the screen was around City Square, and that is the internal, I mean the inside part of this bus, okay? They're already in Uganda. They're made here. They're made in Kampala. Okay, so those are some of the facts that you guys need to know. Those are some of the facts that you need to understand about this bus, and it becomes very important to, you know, to have the facts right. I have said the company that is manufacturing this bus is owned by government. 96% shares are owned by government under the Ministry of Science and Technology, and then the other 4% is owned by Makerere University. And you have known the story how Makerere University came into the picture. The original you know, idea of setting up these buses actually started from Makerere, and that is why Makerere owns 4% of the company that makes these buses. So thank you so much. I hope you guys will be able to watch this video and get the right information and get to appreciate the Kayola EVS and all the developments that have come through. Alios, cheers, and have a fantastic, fantastic weekend.